Welcome to Algebra Basics with Mr. Chow. Today we will learn how to expand brackets using simple examples. Let's begin. What does expanding brackets mean? Expanding brackets means multiplying the number outside the bracket by every term inside the bracket. Let's look at a simple example. 2 times open, bracket x plus 3 close bracket. Let's look at example 1. We have 2 times x plus 3 in brackets. First multiply 2 by x. 2 times x equals 2x. Next multiply 2 by 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now we can combine our answers. Therefore, 2 times x plus 3 in brackets equals 2x plus 6. Let's look at example 2. We have 3 times a plus 4 in brackets. First multiply 3 by a. 3 times a equals 3a. Next, multiply 3 by 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. Now we can combine our answers. 3a plus 12. Therefore, 3 times a plus 4 in brackets equals 3a plus 12. Let's look at example 3. We have 4 times m plus 2 in brackets. First, multiply 4 by m. 4 times m equals 4m. Next, multiply 4 by 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. Now we can combine our answers. 4m plus 8. Therefore, 4 times m plus 2 in brackets equals 4m plus 8. Now it's your turn. Expand 5 times x plus 2 in brackets. Which answer is correct? Pause the video if you need more time. Let's check the answer. 5 times x plus 2 in brackets equals 5x plus 10. The correct answer is B. Today we learned how to expand brackets. Remember, multiply the outside number by every term inside the bracket. We looked at several examples and practiced expanding simple algebraic expressions. Thanks for watching Maths with Mr. Chow. See you next time.